What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, we're going to start a new segment, and this is the Tuesday Intraday Report. We're going to talk about what the market's doing currently intraday and see if we can catch some hidden gems to close out the market. Now, listen, I need you to like, share, and subscribe to this, and I need you guys to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tab out. All sorts of information is there, including our new TWR Products and Service sheet. It has all of our upcoming classes, the one-on-one mentoring sessions. Everything we have to offer you guys is right there at your fingertips. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. All right, TWR wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. You are responsible for every decision you make in the stock market. You need to have fun, but you need to use caution and always, always, always go to war. Real quick plug, our New Year, New You class on technical analysis, reading charts and patterns is Sunday, 2 January at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Check the description. That TWR Products and Service sheet I was telling you about, it's right there, man. Click on that, go and register. You don't want to miss this class. If you ever wondered what all those lines and how to find levels and things of that nature on charts, or you just want to learn how to read charts and how to bounce them off for confirmation with indicators, this is the class for you. Listen, invest in yourself in the new year, and let's kick 2022 in the butt, and let's get it. Let's see what the news has in store for us as we go into the intraday and try to close out strong on this market day. So here's where your market's at currently. Dow is up, NASDAQ down, S&P down. Your market movers, hottest ones are the Qs, Apple, and Relay. Top gainers, ISIG, CPOP, and BBIO, man. We got to play on BBIO. We saw that huge dump, and we're riding the wave up slowly but surely. Top losers, BFRI, U-turn, and ADTH. Here's what our sectors are looking like. Technology, energy, and healthcare. They've been on kind of a ride. They're definitely seeing some lower volume, higher volume to the sell side. But utilities, industrials, and consumer staples. Remember us talking about that last week on one of the videos? I told you guys watch utilities. Look, utilities up big. Here's our sector performance, and I told you guys, man, the energy sector and the communication services, those were going to be the next ones to pop, and energy sectors is up huge. So we're paying attention to it, all right? We're definitely want to see some push in this because it's been beat up so extremely hard. It's definitely due for a rebound, and we want to ensure that we capitalize on any type of strength in this particular sector and make our money. And as of lunchtime, these are the biggest buy orders, buy ratio, sell ratio. Tesla's on there. NVDA, Apple, TWQ, AMD, ISIG, Lucid, Techie, Relay, and AAB. I don't know, AB, I guess, whatever. But we pay attention to these because some of these are the big juggernaut companies, and we're starting to see some fluctuation in the finances going in and out. And we got to pay attention because that's going to drive market sentiment one way or the other, especially with some of these big names like Tesla and Apple. So what we got top news, it's talking about the S&P 500 pauses at record high after a 4-day rally. Everything that goes up, we have to come back down a little bit. Now, I don't think it's going to be a sharp comeback, but I do think it's going to be a cool down period for the remainder of this day, possibly moving into tomorrow. But I wouldn't be surprised the Santa rally is for real. So we definitely have to pay attention to it because the cool down period could be brief as investors are starting to get excited about getting back into the marketplace. And we're seeing a lot of turnover and rotation of monies into other sectors that have been beat up for a while. Here's an article about analysis of financial literacy or luck. Okay, it's talking about TA and the retail investors. All right, TA is huge with retail investors, and there's been so much research and development and self-learning with the retail investors that they're trying to account for us doing so well in the marketplace. Is it really just luck, or are we actually doing our thing? And I want to be the first one to say, man, if you guys are out there and you're putting in the work like I am, man, retail investors, we are for real, okay? We're putting in a lot of effort. We're learning the trades. We're honing our craft. We're becoming great investors and traders. And these guys just need to look out, man, because the retail investor, here we come. This is our year. Last one, Alphabet CEO can be questioned in privacy lawsuit. Now, I want to highlight this because Alphabet is one of those juggernaut companies, right? Google. And as we know, anytime you get stuff like this, it can cause a negative catalyst, which can cause some selling pressure. And I want you guys to understand these juggernaut companies, when these things go down, they ride a bunch of other smaller stocks on their coattails down with them. You know, Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet. These are the big juggernaut companies, and when they struggle, a lot of other ones that are riding their coattails and they got invested in these bigger companies, they fall as well. So we got to pay attention to it because it definitely could send a ripple effect, and we could feel it on the other side. Here's how we're looking on the SPY. You know, we're looking like we're on our way to reaching that newer high. And of course, as SPY normally does, once it hits that level, we'll see a pullback and things of that nature. So definitely a cool down period currently, but I think that we touch that purple line up there and we make a new high. And then of course, we'll come back down and we'll start to level off a little bit. Here's that BBIO that we were talking about. Okay, you see the huge decrease. Now I want to pay attention to this. It was sitting at $40. It went down almost 78%, down to like 11 something, right? And now we're trickling back up into like the 13s. Now, I don't expect this to go anywhere close to the level it was at. It had some bad phase 3 news, but on these type of huge decreases, we're bound to have a bounce back to some sort of normalcy level, okay? And my price target on that is I think we're going to hit $20. I think $20 is definitely doable. I think going back up to 40 is reaching it, especially with the negative news, but I think there's enough sentiment that we can push past this 13, definitely beyond the $15 range, and we can hit that $20 range, give or take some time, okay? Maybe not this week, but definitely maybe in the next week or possibly further. So if you're looking at options, be cautious with the options because this could stall out a little bit in this $13 range. However, if you want to get in at a position with some shares to double up your money, now would be a good time to get in and nibble a little bit and dollar cost average on some weakness. Tesla, I'm worried about Tesla a little bit short term. Now, I do think this is a long-term investment. However, we're having struggles reaching those higher highs, okay? We keep making the higher lows and we keep making lower lows currently. So I think we're on a downward trend for a little bit. Definitely need to see it make some higher highs and hold that level to see the reversal in the short term. However, Tesla's a beast. You could get into this stock currently right now, dollar cost average on some weakness, and you're going to be a millionaire in like 10 years, in my opinion. So Tesla, still beastly on it long term, but right now I think we're on a downward trend. So we definitely pay attention, and I think we have some weakness and we'll see some lower price targets. Last chart for the intraday, NVDA, man. And ooh, look at that chart. That is just aching to break out, okay? I definitely like NVDA. These guys are the cream of the crop when it comes to the chip companies. All right, you got some other ones, AMD and things of that nature. You got the ETF that covers it overall in a broad spectrum. But NVDA, this is the future. This is the one that you really want to get into on any type of weakness. And right now would be a good time, in my opinion, to get into these type of trades because it's not a matter as if this is going to break out. It's when, okay? Because this thing is getting ready to explode. Look at that accumulation of wealth that we're having at the lower levels. We're bouncing around in that pennant type form that we have. This thing is going to pop and it's going to start tracking back up to that purple line, and then we're going to start seeing a new high. So NVDA, definitely bullish on it. Like I said, not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. All right, team, that's the video, man. Hey, from Traders War Room, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. If I don't talk to you guys before then, listen, you guys want to hit us up and you want to talk stocks, you want to get in contact with us and check out some of our products and services and what we got moving forward in the new year, hit us up on the email right there or go into the description link on this video and check us out, man. I got a product and service link info sheet right there that has links and things and everything we got going on right there at your fingertips. And quick promo for my bot, man. If you want my bot inside your Discord server pushing alerts, man, get at your boy, okay? DM me for details and we can get to business and I can start giving you guys those A+ trades that we're pushing out every day the market's open. So hit me up and we'll get you squared away. And come check us out on the Discord, man. This is our hub. This is where it all started. This is where it all begins, man. We're pushing out all the good stuff. Free and paid services, options, stocks, futures, crypto, forex. We got live trading over there. We got the Zoom classroom platform over there. We got the real-time buy and sell alerts. Man, I just put a whole bunch of real analysts just like me pushing out alerts all the time, man. News feeds, constant updates, charts, training videos, you name it, we got something in there. I don't care your experience level, beginner to advanced, swing trader, day trader, long position hold, stocks, crypto, option, it doesn't matter, man. We got something for everybody. True one-stop shop. Now listen, we look at the stock market like it's a war zone. The stocks and sectors, those are our battles. We do it together as a team. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it out with a team that genuinely is growing, learning, and sharing together, then you get at your boy. And as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war.